Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of your iPhone automatically saving every picture you receive? Whether it's through iMessage, WhatsApp or another app, there is a way to control this and keep your photo library organized. Let's go through the steps to stop photos from automatically saving on your iPhone. Let's get started. Firstly, disable autosave in your iMessage. Open the setting app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Messages. Toggle off the switch next to Save to Camera Roll under Messages section. This will stop images and videos from automatically saving to your photo apps. Kindly note, not all iPhone has this feature, but you can check through your settings to see if you do. Next, turn off autosave in your WhatsApp. Open the WhatsApp app, then tap on Setting at the bottom right corner, then select Chat. Toggle off Save to Photos. Now, media received in your WhatsApp won't be automatically saved to your photos. Next, disable autosave in your Instagram. Head over to the Instagram app. Open the app, then you go to your profile by tapping on the profile icon at the bottom right. Tap on the three horizontal lines at the top right and select Settings. Then you scroll down and tap on Archiving and Downloading. Toggle off Save Original Photos. This will stop Instagram from saving copies of the photos you post. And there you go guys, by adjusting this setting in your messaging and social media apps, you can easily stop photos from automatically saving to your iPhone. This will keep your photo library clutter free and organized. Thank you for tuning in and happy organizing. See you in our next video. Bye bye.